boxwood, 3 boxwood. The one in the middle is Korean boxwood. And then you have the Barbary. This one, I forgot the name. And then there's a Columbine there. And then my other Eucharis. These are daffodils. I will cut them when they turn yellow. So these are my Eucharis. Overwintered. Those were the ones from the containers. And then before winter, last fall, I planted them on the ground. There, another one. These are our lavender. And this is the hydrangea. I hope it flowers. There are buds. Other Eucharis. I divided them. So this one is a hyssop, caramel euchera, orchidum. I think these are daffodils. And our juniper on its, I think, 4th year now. And this one is an aster, and this is our bleeding heart. I hope it will still flower. And then, next part of the garden, or my next cleanup, which might be tomorrow or next week, is this one. Okay. So again, here our front garden. I'm so happy with my Euchera. This one is dark. And then my husband, he likes the phlox. So this is I think the 3rd year of our phlox. And then our petunia. Petunia. Deadheading. Okay. Other phlox. And then our ferns. I think it will, I don't know what you call those things. Other one. The phlox again. This phlox newly planted. This one too, 4th year. Another petunia. So I will deadhead. The phlox. And this is my overwintered geranium. I just put them out today. Hopefully it will be okay. And then newly purchased phlox. It's on sale, 50% off. So my husband will still plant that. And then we went to Petiti. This is my favorite begonia. I plan to overwinter this. I will dig them up. Try to experiment. Very nice. So it was 3,450. So we bought red. And then the other one is orange. This one. And the other one is white and pink. So there are other phlox we bought. My husband planted them. And this one we bought from Petiti. It's I forgot. It's perennial. It's Sophie or something. It's like a boxwood. So hopefully it will be good, so we don't have to plant every year for interest. Okay, so till my next update, Bye bye. Hold on, I want just to show our hostas. Okay, and that one is a Shasta daisy. Okay.